How to do affiliate marketing on Facebook. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your own affiliate links on Facebook groups. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing is that you need to join Facebook groups. Now, depending on the kind of affiliate link you have, so let's say if you have a Warrior Plus affiliate link, so Warrior Plus goes with health, fitness, well-being, all that stuff, gymming, gym freaks, and that entire niche is often found on the Warrior Plus platform. So what you can do is you can go on to health tips, you can go on to lifestyle blogs, you can go on to weight loss groups on Facebook, and the first thing is you're going to join them. So you're just going to search for fitness groups, and then you're going to go into the group section over here, and then you can join a few groups like this. Join as many as you can because you're going to have access to a larger audience every time you join a group. And once you have joined a couple of groups, what you're going to do is decide a group that you're going to post on. So let's take a look at this weight loss and diet tips for women group, and what you're going to do is start designing a poster on Canva to promote your affiliate. Now you might be wondering, why can't I just make a post like everyone else and just type in my affiliate link, add like a basic image, and start promoting? Well, the reason why you don't want to post like this is that you're not going to get any traction. People are not going to be interested in your post if it looks like this. So if I just take a look at this page, you can see a lot of people have posted these kinds of posts with backgrounds that are directly from Facebook, but these people are not going to get enough traction. But these photos with people posting before and afters are more popular, and these kinds of images are more popular because these are well-designed images. So for your affiliate, you're going to go onto Canva, you're going to click on custom size, you're going to select it into inches, then you're going to add a height and width, so you can choose that as 10 by 10. I like to use 10 by 10, and this is going to open up a blank canvas, and then you're going to start designing your little poster for your affiliate link. So let's say that we are promoting some kind of dietary supplement or some kind of maybe juice cleanse or something like that. So what you're going to do is, first off, we're going to zoom into our canvas to take a closer look at what our images are going to look like, and I'm going to search for background on the element section on Canva, or you can even just click on the basic canvas and change the color. Now I'm going to go with this kind of gray background, and I'm going to change it up. The background is going to be black, and I'm going to put on this white grid on top. So I'm just going to align this over here, and I'm just going to expand it like so. Now after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add juice. I'm going to search for juice, and I'm just gonna look for graphics that are good. So this looks like a good little graphic, and I'm gonna add this as well to the sides over here like so. And after I add a couple of images like this, I'm just gonna move these to the top and bottom sides like this and like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to the text section, and I'm going to add any kind of text. So I'm going to add a text with a plain black background to make sure that it stands out. So let's say I go with this kind of text, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to click on it. Now I'm going to enter my own text over here, or I think this looks a bit too much. For a link, I think I'm going to opt for a simpler text because my poster is already pretty well designed. So I'm just going to go on and write the best weight loss juice cleanse for women. And once I have my basic information, I'm going to resize this. I'm going to place it in the center like this, and I'm going to select my text. I'm going to add a effect, or I'm just going to underline it as well like so. And I'm going to go into the element section again, and I'm going to search for square on the element section, and I'm just going to pick out any one of these basic looking squares, and I'm going to make it white, and I'm going to move it to the back as well, just redesign a bit. So add your little square here. I'm going to make this white. Now I'm going to I'm going to change the text color to black so it stands out on the white little text box that I have like this. So like this, you're going to design a cute little poster, and then you're just going to click on download over here. And then once you have downloaded it, you're going to upload it onto these different Facebook groups. And this makes sure that you get the most amount of traction with your own affiliate link. So I have this downloaded, and I'm just going to go and I'm just going to start posting. So I'm going to create a post, and instead of using one of their basic looking backgrounds, I'm just going to add my own image over here. Now you can see Once I post this, you're going to be able to actually get a quick gauge of how this post looks far more interesting than the other posts that are being made without these kinds of notepads or without these kinds of posters that are just simple text-based posts. So now my post has been added to this Facebook group, and this is how you make sure to promote your affiliate links on Facebook groups without being too pushy about it, and making sure that they are promoted in a good and fulfilling manner. Another thing you need to keep in mind is, let's say if I have a fashion group, make sure you're not promoting like weight loss things in fashion groups, and make sure you're not promoting make money. Okay, so if I go into make money and I go into groups, now I don't want to promote my weight loss juice on a making money online group. So make sure that you're targeting your audience correctly. So join a group that is related to your affiliate, and then make a cute little poster using Canva, and then download it and post it on that group alongside your affiliate links, and you are ready to go. So that is how easy it is to promote your affiliates on Facebook. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to promote your own affiliates on Facebook as well. You can do this with any kind of affiliate. So if it's a make money affiliate, you can design it on Canva as well. And if I was to just edit this one to fit the make money aesthetic, I would just remove these fruit graphics like this. And once I remove the fruit graphics, I would just place this over here. I would add my new text over here, make money quick online, like this. I'm going to change the color to black. I'm going to move my text over here, and I would just go into the elements section, search for money, and go into graphics, and I'm just going to add a couple of graphics like these. So add them over here like this, and obviously you're going to design this a bit better, but you get the gist. So this is how easy it is to create the posters and start promoting them on Facebook. Now, with affiliate marketing on Facebook and promoting affiliate links on Facebook, not only can you do it via groups, but you can also go into your menu section and go onto pages and create a page. So you can see that I have 3 pages over here, and I have this weight loss page as well. And what you can do to promote your affiliate links is that you can post all of your affiliate content on this page. So you can post it over here, and then once you post on your page, you can share these posts with your actual account onto the different groups. So if I just click on share over here, I can share it to a group, and then I can share it to any of the weight loss groups that I have on my account. So that is one way to make money as well, with groups and combining both groups and Facebook pages. So you're going to have this separate entity for your weight loss affiliate that is going to be primarily for the affiliate, and then you can go into different groups to promote this page. And when you promote this page, you're indirectly going to promote the affiliate as well. So it's going to be a form of marketing without being too in your face for the people as well. And they're going to find it a bit less aggressive in terms of marketing as well, because you can see a lot of people are posting direct affiliate content on these kinds of groups. So this person has this direct affiliate to their own program or whatever affiliate they have, and this is going to make it seem like you're not really here to promote stuff, but you're here as a genuine person trying to help other people out. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you're now able to not only promote your affiliates on Facebook groups and Facebook, but also integrate Facebook pages into your affiliate marketing strategy. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.